But first, a pit stop. I'm kind of thirsty.
So here in Rome, it is of course all about seeing ancient history. But what about tasting ancient history? Well, you can do that too at all these wonderful public water fountains. It's completely safe. It's really kind of cool as you fill your water bottle here. It's out of a spigot called a Nasone, because that is Italian for nose, shaped like a little nose. Deliciosa.
Finding a Nasone when you're thirsty here in Rome is nessun problema, no problem. Because while Romans were building the Pantheon, they were also building another engineering marvel, the aqueduct. And true to Roman style, the end of the aqueduct had to be stylish. No simple end of a water hose here, like the Trevi fountain at the end of the Aqua Virgo. So let's follow the ancient Aqua Virgo through Rome to another famous fountain, and our next Why Is That There? To the Pope's front yard. I hear he's having a pool party.